What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting. We missed you last Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's in the shop this Wednesday. If you haven't already checked out our videos, last week we were on a road trip to Key West. We took the GT4 and we went with Justin and his C8, so make sure you check those videos out. We have a lot of fun things happen on that trip. Beside me is a C8 that looks like Justin's, but it's not. This one is a torch red, regular Stingray, not a convertible, not a Z51, but it's here for paint protection film on the whole front end as well as the headlights. So hood, fenders, front bumper, mirrors, and headlights. Marshall's currently installing a remote start system in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Those remote start systems and those things we use from the factory key. You press the lock button 3 times, so you don't even need an extra key fob. Jimmy is polishing a Chevy Silverado Trail Boss in preparation for a ceramic coating. Jake is working on a Subaru. This one's here for an annual inspection for the ceramic coating. I think this one has paint protection film on it too from like a year or two ago. And it's also getting a full interior detail package. Tyler's prepping a car for a full detail also. This is a Mustang GT convertible. And Patrick is polishing paint like he always is, this time on an Impala for a Ceramic Pro Silver package. This one's getting the first coat on today. It'll be ready to go basically tomorrow. And right here's another Corvette, a C6. This one got paint protection film on the whole front end as well as the rocker panels and the windows. A lot of people might say, why would you get film on a car that's 10 years old or more than that? This one's really low miles, only 20,000 miles on it. The paint was in really great shape, so makes sense to protect it. And in the tint bay, Brandon and Terrell are booked all day. Right now they're finishing up with a Silverado, about to pull that outside. We tinted the front 2 windows on that. We've got a nice day today in LATROBE. This Subaru's here for a remote start system. It is starting to get cold, so we had snow yesterday for the first time. If you don't have a remote start, call us. We'll hook you up. Same with heated seats. Down here we've got a Subaru Legacy. This one got a ceramic coating last week. And over here we've got a new Harley-Davidson F-150. This one's still dirty, but we are cleaning it up this afternoon in preparation for ceramic. So that'll be getting polished and coated in the next 2 days or so. This Shelby's here for an annual inspection. I think it's getting picked up this weekend, so we did a ceramic coating on this thing last year. If you haven't seen our GTO yet, this thing's twin turbo, 1,000 horsepower, and we took it to Key West, part of that road trip I was telling you about, and it's broken. So you're gonna wanna watch those videos and see what happened, but we did make it home. This Bentley's here for paint protection film and a ceramic coating as well. So we're doing the paint protection film on this tomorrow. The car will be getting prepped today, and then after that we're going to be doing paint correction also, and then a ceramic coating. Dean's Jeep is looking different. So this is his installation vehicle, his sales vehicle. He does all of our commercial and residential tint. It's usually not here, so it's rare that it's here, but it's got a new fresh vinyl wrap for advertising purposes, so everybody knows why we're sitting in somebody's driveway for a few hours when we're tinting their house. This RAV4 is here for a remote start system from the dealership. All right, so we took a ride over to the other shop because we have some stuff going on over here this week. So beside me, we've got a Porsche Panamera. We replaced the wing mechanism in this not long ago for a good customer of ours. He had a used part and now it decided to stop working again. So we were tearing into it to make sure it wasn't anything on our end, and of course it wasn't, so it just needs a new wing, unfortunately. Apparently that's a common problem on the Panamera. And over here we have a Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. So we're upfitting this one for Megan Ford. So if you're not familiar with that, we have teamed up with Megan Ford. They have a lot of Police Interceptor Explorers ready to go in stock. So if your department needs a car, we will have them ready to go. Some of them will already even be upfitted, so we can get you back up and running very quickly. So give Megan a call if you're looking for one. This is mostly a full upfit. We're doing push bar with lighting, Phoenix light bar, a full cage, and plastic seat. Just basically everything except for graphics. I think this is getting a gun rack and a controller as well. So. And then right here, we worked on this one for a while last night. This is a vinyl wrap. We're changing this car from red to 3M 2080 Black Rose. It's like a reddish brown, kind of like a wine color. It looks really cool. And that's all for what's going on at both shops this week at Blackout. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think of the tour through the shop on Wednesdays. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you next week.